Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Google account and permissions so everything syncs. Sign in and open sites. Google.com. Next, create a new site and pick blank or a lightweight template. This saves later cleanup. Once done, set the site name and logo, then map a custom domain if you have one. That prevents broken links. Collect assets now: a hero image, a short headline, a single clear CTA, and any form fields or destination URL you will use. You now craft the visible landing area, insert a full-width header, and choose a responsive image so mobile looks right. Then, add a one-column section beneath. Place a clear headline, a short supporting sentence, and a primary CTA button. Link it to a form or checkout. Make sure buttons and forms use descriptive labels for accessibility and conversion tracking. Also, use Insert Embed or Drive to add assets, and adjust section padding and alignment so the flow guides the eye. You finish by publishing and setting a clear page title and meta description to improve discovery. Choose your custom URL if configured. Once published, test the page on desktop and mobile, submit the form yourself, and confirm the CTA route works. Measure load speed and aim for under 3 seconds. If something fails, clear your browser cache, confirm DNS or domain mapping propagated, and recheck that the button and form targets are exact. Then republish and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.